What is going on, YouTube? TNL Reaper here with GME Badass Theron. And here we are playing more Sons of the Forest. So, you want to tell them what we're doing today? Theron?
I'm just finishing the fence right now. We're trying to.
Okay. So, we've also decided to switch it up and stop using the Discord call. And we're using walkie-talkies now. So...
Also, look what I built. Look.
Is this a javelin?
Fire! It's a spirit sucker!
Really? Wow, that's funny. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to go chop some trees and throw down my radio as we continue to build our base for the day. So, what is the current objective today besides survive?
Well, my objective is to finish painting my base gold, solid gold, as you can tell.
Well, you look like you're off to a good start. That is very shiny.
We have managed to complete the game.
Wait, you
Me and Hossman. We're gonna walk you through it when you get time.
Wait,
and
so...
as you can tell, we can paint fucking everything gold. Come on through.
That is a lot of gold.
Oh, yeah, if you need to tell the time, all you need to do is turn around. And you can tell the time right there. Behind you. Right here, behind you. The wall behind you. To your left. A little more. There you go. Now
really?
You know the time. What?
That's nasty.
It's a very accurate representation of time. I will say this, that this room is currently off limits over here.
Okay.
This room is off limits. No touchy.
What's in here?
Nothing.
Dear God, dude, that is a... I need to leave. I need to leave right now.
I didn't even do that!
I didn't know my neighbor was a psychopath. Okay, so here's the general question: what is the general objective of this game besides finding them 3 people? Where do we take them? There's a deer inside your base.
I don't reckon he'll get far.
Well, it looks like he got out, and he's heading towards the trap. And he walks right by your trap. Alright. Well, I have to go heat some water and get some food ready for the day. And then we'll get ready to head out. Oh, what was in that supply room, by the way? I'm pretty sure I missed out on that.
What supply room?
The one in the cave that we found earlier?
Just some keycards and stuff. I'm making you some armor right now.
Wait, only key cards? Alright. There we go. Let's light this fire. Use up some leaves here. And where's my pots? It's a good thing I don't have to clean this pot. An arm. Okay, so apparently we can go full cannibal. Alright, how do we add more stuff to the fire? More sticks. Oh, nice, I have protein bars. Oh, what the hell? Oh, apparently I can block. Alright, let's, Oh, come on. I walked over the fire like an idiot. Thank you. I dying? Okay, cool. Alright, G. Split some wood. Just gonna chop some wood, because this is the most mundane thing ever. Can't carry that. What is that? Wood burning? Clearly I can't make a fire right. How's it going on your end? Oh, come on. How's it going on your end?
Well, I gotta make you one more armor and you'll be fully kitted up.
Nice. Alright, apparently that's all I can add to the fire for right now. Just throw this down for right now. Wow, that is taking forever to cook. Alright, rock storage. Log storage.
Do you want upgraded armor or just regular, die from one hit armor?
What is the... Die from
upgraded
one?
armor it is.
Okay.
By the way, sorry for what I'm about to do. Arise, my son! Arise! Give me life!
Okay.
I summon you from the blackest pits of hell!
Okay, you're getting way too excited.
Incoming enemy attack to the base! Defend the armor! They are coming! Ah, they've broken through! Face them! Hold the line!
I am,
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ! We're
What is-
under attack! Oh, demon!
What are you being attacked by? Ah! Ah! Whoa!
Hold the line!
I'm out of ammo!
Hold them! Stand firm!
Yeah, you're on your own, buddy.
Don't let them through!
Oh, god damn it, I backed onto some spikes. I need a revive. I need a revive.
They will not break us! They will break upon us!
I need a revive.
Come on, demon! I'm coming, Billy!
Help. I'm alive.
Steady, lad, steady!
Where'd it
There's
go?
more coming! Hold the line!
Where'd it go?
Give me life! Arise, my child! Arise!
Where did it go? What are you doing?
You will serve me! This may look like some necromantic voodoo stuff, I swear. It's for the greater good.
I was not ready for today.
By the way, you press T to talk, otherwise I can't hear you.
I was not ready for today.
Arise, my child! Arise!
I'm gonna walk this way.
What, you don't like the voodoo sacrifice?
I am kind of concerned.
Witness the power of the dark side.
Okay. Good to know. Alright, Got some sticks. There we go. Nice, I can hold 12 pieces. So we got necromantic powers. Oh, put them back.
Stand ready, the second wave will be here any moment. Stand ready!
I'm out of ammo for my weapon.
Hold them off, brothers. Remember, the fallen shall forever be remembered as the Emperor's finest.
Hey.
Here they come over the hill!
Why can't we draw them into the...
Demons!
Why are they...
Me demon!
Why aren't they being drawn into the trap, and why are they attacking us?
Hold the line!
Can
We
the...
got a big boomer! Face me, you big bitch!
Watch your six.
We're a big one fly! I'm bleeding!
Ah! Wow, I get killed by everything.
See no scourge!
I am, I was not ready for today.
Come on, demon! Coward! Face me in battle! I got you, brother!
Ugh. Need better gear.
Well done, lad. Well done. You held the line.
I took one swipe at something and got killed. Come here, Bambi. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. My boiled meat. Alright, well, that gave me some health, and I've got a strength increase. Alright. Let's, build this up.
Don't worry, we're gonna get you the katana here in a minute.
God dang. You're spoiling me here. Alright. Don't need that, just need the boiled water. Alright, that's good. What are those lights off in the distance? Hey, they're near. Nope. I completely forgot I need to use the walkie now. What are those lights off in the distance?
They are what leads us away from the glory of the Emperor, brother. Resist!
I'm like a fly being drawn into the light. Ugh. Gotta sit out here and hold my walkie-talkie. I can only imagine what this game would be like in first-person mode. Alright, I'm gonna go collect some trees since it's relatively safe.
Don't worry, brother. Reinforcements are on their way.
Oh, good. Gonna sit here and mine some trees. Can't catch that. Oh, God. Timber! Alright.
Are you gonna use the sled or what?
Yeah, I'm using the sled.
No. Are you using our sled or are you using your sled?
I'm using the one that was left inside my base.
That would be our sled.
Sorry?
Don't worry, we share. It's fine.
Well, you were complaining.
Not really.
I don't like how the rain sounds very realistic. I've got to give props to the guys that designed this game.
Alright, I need you to come to me. Your armor's ready.
Timber! Alright, let me harvest this tree and I'll be right there. Oh no, my logs are rolling away. I have to bring back the log sled since it's pretty much full. Where the rest of my logs go? Is that just a really small tree? That's some BS. Oh hey, it's Hossman. Alright, I'm on my way.
Welcome back, battle brother.
Alright, I'm on my way. Sled's not completely full, but at the very least I should be able to complete my base. Alright, I'm on my way.
Alright, let's get up here and now we wait for Hoss.
Yee. Oh, janky.
Alright, I need you to stand up here right here where I'm at.
Okay, right here. Which way do I face?
Yep, face the armor.
Okay.
Alright, now we wait for Hoss. He should be good. Hoss, get up here! Hoss, one! You gotta talk to him in caveman. He has... No, he's been hit pretty hard. That's a fucking idiot stuck on an island.
Nah, what is that? The Donnie from the Wildstorm base?
Jesus fucking Christ.
Was that good? Like, you knew who I was talking about, right?
Hoss, we have to give him his armor. I just got his freshly minted armor now. So get on that side. WW, ready for combat. You may take the armor.
How do I take the armor?
Don't step on the armor. It's a fucking ritual. Come over here. Over here. There you go. Now press E to pick it up.
Soul Fight armor. Wait, pick it.
Yeah, take it.
There's 10 pieces?
Take it. Yep. Now equip all of those pieces.
Inventory?
Yep. And then look to your right until you see the armor. Yeah, I fired this thing off. I literally fired this thing off, and he had no idea what was happening. He goes out there to fight off the demons, dies twice. So I was like, all right, we're getting this man a katana.
Wait.
Armor first, then katana.
All right, I got my armor.
Look at him.
How do I look?
Clad in shiny gold.
Hoss, say something.
I don't think he can read. We gotta get him a katana, by the way, Hoss.
Is the katana the best weapon? Stand by.
When you upgrade it, look, I upgraded mine with the gold on it. Look, and it is sick.
That looks nice. Alright. Alright, I gotta get back to work. Gotta pull my weight around here. So, I only have about 20 more minutes, and then I gotta go get the munchkin ready for bed. Can't carry any more chicory. Alright, where's my log storage? There it is. If only I were strong enough to carry more than one log at a time.
You are, you carry two at a time.
Yeah, but I mean like Superman, like carry an entire stack. Alright, my water is complete. I'm afraid I'm gonna get struck by lightning here. So, what are you doing? Going for a ride.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
You know what I just realized? We're an Amish community.
You could have said that before I said it like 30 times.
We
Yeah, but
did.
where would have been the time of that? Abandon your sled, we're getting you a katana.
Is that...
Hey, does he have a glider?
Oh, no, we gotta get him a glider.
Yeah, we gotta give him a glider before
We gotta get him a glider and then let him get some flight school in.
Okay, yeah. Can we do that all in 20 minutes?
He just ran over me.
Can we do that all in 20 minutes?
Yeah, if we go right now and haul ass, yeah.
Alright, let's
We're
go.
gonna haul ass and get it done.
Alright, lead the way.
Alright. Have we showed you our fighter launch system?
Yes, you did.
Okay. Let's get everybody load up on this thingy here, and we'll get to trucking.
Alright. So, Hossman, by the way, we are currently recording. Oh. Hello? You guys hear me? Apparently we need to wait. So, anyway, I hope you guys have been having a good week. So, while I have a moment to actually address you guys directly, thank you guys for being a faithful audience. We have reached 326 subs. Oh, looks like we're here.
Stand by, I'm out of rope, so I'm gonna grab me some rope here and then we're gonna push on.
Oh, you guys can't hear me talk, can you?
No, not while we're on the golf cart.
Okay, good. Here I am talking to our fans. This would be really awkward seeing as these guys can't hear me right now, LOL.
Alright, let's push on.
Hey, I found a battery. And some skulls. I need a place to store these. Ooh, tarp. Alright, we're... Uh-oh. Oh, hey, dude, you left without us. Come back, you left without us. Alright, let's go. Okay, back to the discussion at hand. So, I think this is a fully released game. So I'll have to check with Theron here when we get off the ride, or get off the whip. But if you haven't already, I do recommend checking this game out. So, oh, hello. Ooh, dramatic music. Wish I could look around behind me. Oh, he's playing the freaking radio.
Energy drink.
That's funny. Just about had an internal freak out there. Crossing the Babbling Brook. So I don't quite get the entire story behind this. So apparently this place was taken over by some demonic presence. And you'll see the monsters we were fighting in the beginning, as well as cultists and people going full cannibal. So maybe we're not allowed to leave, like, ever. It'd be terrifying. And apparently there's some, like, necromantic power that allows me to have, like, super chill armor. Oop. But, don't take my word for it. Definitely pick this game up if you can. Nope. So, I only recommend games I have fun with. All right. Are we? I am here. Are we just raiding this place?
Yeah, just grab whatever you're kind of low on.
Oh, nice. I found a solar panel.
Yeah, definitely get that.
Hey, Theoner, this game is out of alpha, right? What's this?
Yeah, it should be.
Another solar panel. Hey, what's that Night V do? What is this? Are these unicycles? Oh, shit, here I am talking and I forgot. Are these unicycles?
Like, kind of like, unicycle segways.
Yeah, they're... you will fuck yourself up on them things.
Yeah. Alright, you ready to push on?
Yeah, I'm ready to push on. That's funny. I'm like, what is this? So apparently they have unicycles for us to ride on. Oh, looks like this is our stop. And we are currently on an adventure to get me a katana. So, sorry for the silence here. I work better working off of other people. So, if you can tell if you watch my solo content, I don't do well alone. Nope. So if I come across as boring to you guys, I do apologize. I'm doing the best that I can. And whoever is driving...
We're swapping vehicles.
Do a... Whoever was driving, you need to do a better job. Got some sticks. Why are we swapping vehicles? I'm getting in. Hold still. Alright, let's go. Oh, what the? Get in. No, 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 no. Get... Okay, there we go. Alright, let's go. Come on. Oh, there's a flare. I think. That was a moose. Bro just took out a moose and a tree. Oh, God, I wish it would have stopped raining already.
Alright, here's the ladder.
Alright. Out, out, out.
You can walk up to it and press E, and then as long as you have it in your inventory, you can press G to store it. You have to walk to the front of it. To the front of it.
Ooh. Okay, so how do I use it?
That's it. You hear something?
I did hear something.
Oh, we got
Got what?
Alright, run and jump, Lawrence! Caw-caw!
How do I use it? Oh!
You just have it equipped and jump!
I don't have it equipped.
Go up, press E to where it picks it up, and then you just jump off.
Where is it in my inventory? I jumped off and I didn't survive.
Just a light little flight from that gap over to this gap.
Alright, there we go. Alright, jumping.
There you
Whee!
Pull up, pull up.
Ah!
Down, dumbass.
Glider collected.
Make sure you equip it back again and then press G to put it up.
Yeah, I'll call him in the morning. Talk to him.
Okay. That was actually pretty fun. On my way. Let's get back to base and then we'll call it here.
Yeah, if you can make it back to base.
A bit of a drive. Why did we switch vehicles about halfway through?
Because they're battery operated and it was halfway out of the battery. So we swapped their full battery.
I'll talk to all of them in the morning.
Alright.
She got a hot mic.
Alright. Let's get more transportation. Ooh, I found blackberries. So is there another vehicle, or did we just loop around? Whoa, how did he get up there so fast?
Because he was still flying.
Nice. So are we
Alright, get up here.
What's going on? Gotta catch these sticks. Ooh, I want a machete.
Alright. Everybody got a glider equipped?
Negative. Ooh.
Smart thing to do is have it attached to a button.
Yeah.
Something else got.
Yeah, I just figured that out. I completely forgot about that. Alright, what are we doing?
We're going back to base.
Are we flying there?
This is Delta 1, heading up.
Alright.
Follow me out.
How do I... Oh, up. Okay.
You just run and jump. Pull up. Stay up high. Stay with the boot.
I have no idea where you guys... Oh, there you are. Alright.
Jesus Christ.
Alright. Let's go. Lead the way. Ooh. Makes flying so much easier. Or not flying, but this makes travel so much easier.
That it does.
So are we just kind of in air indefinitely?
As long as you don't crash or get too low to the ground, you can actually just fly around the whole map.
Damn!
If you start losing speed, what you can do is you can nosedive, start gaining some speed, and then pull right back up.
You shouldn't have told him that. Now he's going to crash trying to get more speed.
Oh, well, I mean, only try it if you're not around trees or anything. Don't get too close to the ground.
Alright. There's a bit of a hike to get this thing.
That was actually one of, I feel like it was closer to us. There's like 5 of these spread out throughout the map.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
This was just the easiest one to find.
Well, it was in the direction of the katana, and that's what
Yeah, we were going to get that too, but he's bailing out on us, so we're falling back.
Unfortunately, it is late here, and I have to get the Rugrat ready for bed.
Yeah, we've already cleared it out, so like you would have ran in there in like maybe 5 minutes, so you would have had a katana.
I need more content for tomorrow, bud. Alright, looks like we have home sweet.
Bases on the way.
Alright, this is Delta 2, getting ready to set down, clear for approach.
You're Delta 3, homie. You're Delta 3.
You're a real piece of shit.
You're Delta 3. Me and Hoss are Delta 1 and 2, because we've been here longer. Coming into base, boys!
Ugh. Alright,
I'm have to side with him on this. I do feel like I deserve the 2 spot.
alright, y'all
in this game.
y'all suck. I was in here first before you. I'm gonna hit the save icon here.
What the fuck is that noise?
Alright.
I don't know.
That's is